Copycat Jamie Oliver's green mac and cheese with a twist. Okay, today I'm going to use fusilli pasta. My green vegetable today, I have leek here, spinach, and I have here romanesco. Look at this. And I have my salad onions. And of course garlic and spices. First we start by preparing my green vegetables, and then once that's done, then I'm going to grind the garlic. Let's start cooking. To cook the romanesco here, I added some lemon slice, garlic and a little bit of salt, and I brought it to boil, and then I'm going to simmer it for 5 minutes, and then after that I'll switch off the heat. To make the green sauce, first I'm going to fry leek and salad onions until they're soft. Then I add garlic and then continue to fry for a few minutes. So now my pasta is done, so I'm just going to keep that on for now and then just try and finish this. So here I haven't got any fresh herbs, but I'm using Italian mix of herbs. Thyme, rosemary, sage, oregano, basil, and some more. Here I added a tiny little bit of butter, as you can see, and then I'm going to be making my sauce now. So I'm going to add there some flour and then milk and season it well. Okay, so now add flour and then fry it a little bit and then slowly add the milk. Now the sauce is nearly ready, so let's season it with salt and pepper. Spinach leaf and mix it in well. So now over here I'm going to add the pasta. The pasta is ready. And I've already turned the heat off, so the heat is not there. So I'm just going to cheddar, cheese, and then my other favorite, red Leicester. And then I have another surprise for later. Why not? So let's start now. So first, add the sauce and mix it well. Add the other green vegetable, which is a romanesco. Lovely. So this is my another secret ingredient, which is feta cheese. Goes in, not a lot, you know, it's very salty. Now the rest of the sauce on top, and then sprinkle some cheese on, and then everything is going to be ready to go into the oven. Bake. Wow. Enjoy بالهنا والشفا.